Silver Tempest, get ready to battle. Get into the latest Pokemon TCG action with an awesome booster pack, 3 promo cards featuring a full evolution chain, a cool Pokemon coin to add to your collection, and code. We have 1, 2, 3. Here's the back of that one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Silver Tempest cards. Nice Lugia art on the back. An ominous rumble echoes in the distance. An ominous rumble echoes in the distance, sorry. And Lugia, V-Star, emerges from the ocean's depths to answer its call. Uncharted territory lies waiting to be explored alongside Alolan Vulpix, V-Star, and while Superior Unknown and Moldit join the expansion as Pokemon V-Star, and the legendary battle awaits as Regieleki, VMAX, and Regidrago? V-Star awaken from slumber, discover powerful partnership with Pokemon Gallery, and set the course for the adventure with Pokemon TCG Sword and Shield Silver Tempest expansion. Nice Lugia art. I may try to save that. And yeah, just like last time, anybody watched that one, who's watching this one, with a fan on because it's summertime. And I'm hot. There we go. And yeah, you're wondering, I'm not like a pack rat. I don't try to like save all that shit and like keep it pristine and all that crap. I literally tape them to binders. So like when I have a set, make a set of a pack of a certain card set, I tape the artwork from the set, like packs and the art and that thing, to the card, to the thing, to the binder. Pikachu coin. Manphy. Code. Hopefully someone used it. Can I throw them away? And then the artwork. We got Vulpix. That thing. And where the fuck that is. As I said multiple times, I don't watch the cartoons anymore, so I don't know how to say these animals' names, and I don't even play the, I didn't even finish Sword and Shield. Baltry, Sunkern, Fanphy, Indini, Reverse Force Squeed, Zygarde, Water Energy, Toxapic, Professor Laviton, Dorkalock, and a code. Piddle, Linton being scared, Murkrow, sorry. Swablu, Rotom, Reverse Articuno, Shiny Ariados, Metal Energy, Carlito, Venomoth, Wallace, and a code. Vulpix pack. Rotom, Baneri, Fanphy, Fetchling, Garvador with the trainer, Amogus, Water Energy, Unidentified Fossil, Glairel, Candace, and a code. Magneton. I just noticed I had 2 of these. Whoops. That's what happens. I live in the area where, remember on the news, some old lady got shot buying Pokemon cards for her grandson? Yeah, that's me. So when I go on trips, the only time I ever see these things anymore, because the stores in my area don't carry them anymore. Far-fetched, or Surfetched, sorry. So I just buy them when I see them. When I'm standing in line in an aisle or something, like if I'm on vacation and I'm standing in line and I see one in the aisle, one of these things in the aisle, I'll buy one. I don't remember what I got. Magneton, or Magnezone, code. It's got an EX of that one in the last episode. And then Magneton and Magnemite, which are normal. These aren't promos. Just a full evolution chain. You already had that one. I'm about to say, shit, I tore the artwork. But that's no big deal, I already have that one. Ralts, Krogunk, Solstice, Illich, Sunkern, Reverse, Disfin, Electric Energy, hey! If I got the little fox, I'd have all 3 in this one pack. Lupin, Serena, and a code. So my game, I think I named her, I believe I named, if I remember right, I think I named her Merida, because Brave had just come out or something like that. You know what? I'll open the same one again. See which one did better. Wow, this one's a loud song. I gotta turn that down in a minute. There's the kitty. There we go. But we'll get a copyright strike. Code again. Those 2 again. Vulpix. Durant. Finnick. Rufflet. Litten Being Scared. Fanfy. Clink Reverse. Veritin. Psych Energy. Altalon. Brandon. Jinx. And a code. Grass. Yeah, none of these other ones are redos. Surfetched again. Code. This yellow guy. Oh, come on, you bastard. Rotom. Swillix. Swablu. Mischievous, Maureen, Spindle, and some of you may actually ask, why do you continue to open these things if you don't know what they are? Because I like collecting them. And why don't you learn the names how to say them correctly? Because this channel ain't monetized. If it was, if it was my living, like, I don't know, like, enlisted leave, because I know he doesn't actually know a lot of stuff, and he's constantly fumbling stuff like I am. If he's doing it for comedic acts, I applaud that. But if he's doing it just because he doesn't know it, that's kind of pathetic, because his whole job, his life is around Pokemon, so you should know things. And when I used to watch him, he used to mess up a lot of things, like he'd mess up pack names, even if it was on the box, like Silver Tempest, he'd say something else. Or he would mess up like the Pokemon's name, like one of the basic ones, like from the first two generations. That'd be a screw up. But my whole life ain't around Pokemon. This is just a fun little hobby that I don't make a dime off of. It actually costs me money. So that's why I don't really care about the names or know them. Amogus. I think it's funny I don't know them. I add some kind of humor because, let's face it, this channel sucks. It has nothing. I offer nothing to people watching these things. So hey, if I can give a little bit of comedy, why not? Gym Trainer, Meowstick, Golbat, and a code. And the other kitty coin. If it wasn't so freaking shiny, you could see what it looks like. There we go. There you go. My pale skin comes in handy. Although I don't burn like a bunch of other white people I see. They got like burned red. I just tan. Why is you tan now? I work overnight. So I don't really, I kind of sleep the day away for the most part. But when I used to work daytime, I was tannish. Swallows, Krogunk, Bedlam, Spinnerack, Finnegan. I just noticed the glare was killing the artwork. Drupid. This is actually my current buddy on Pokemon Go, so I can get the candy for him. Grass Energy, Relix, Danini, Primordial, Alter, and Code. I just caught that guy in Go today. Oh, you just think you don't want to catch him? Yeah, I live in an area where those things are very rare, so I went somewhere today, and that area had better. Actually has stops and stuff, so there. Shit. I wanted to avoid that, so I'm not bothered with fucking editing, but now I have to, so it's got a little thing on the bottom of the screen. Farfetch'd, or Surfetch'd. Sneasel. Sneasel. Code. Yellow guy. Code. Butch. Sendigus. Fungus. Elegum Zubat again. Rock Ruff with a trainer. With the professor. Turcock. Fighting Energy. Energy Jelly. Or Emergency Jelly. Bellamine and Candace. Use some Emergency Jelly with Candace. Oh, you horrible, disgusting bastard. Yeah. Kitty again. How many people who buy these things just throw the coins away or keep them or make some kind of art with them or something? And now it refuses to focus. There we go. Code. Shimiku, Emolga, Vulpix, DP, Rotom, Talonflame, V-Guard Energy, Gold, Metal Energy, Professor Lefton, Toxicroak, Ferrotone, and a code. The bulk. And the rewind. So, thanks for watching. You know, probably no one does, because no one watches this channel, because I wouldn't even watch it if it was me. And have a good one. See you next time, maybe. Probably not.